Hi, I'm Mike from OTOFIX. In this video, I'm going to run an in-vehicle test using the BT1 Lite and the battery test app on my phone. The vehicle is a 2019 Toyota Camry. If you are ready, let's get to it. Open the hood and find the battery. I already have it open, so let's continue to place the clamps on. Red to positive, black to negative. Tap the button on the BT1 Lite to emit a Bluetooth signal. Check the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Tap the connection to pair it. Also make sure you are connected to an internet source. Now that we're paired, we can tap In-Vehicle Test. Input your vehicle's information. Next, input the vehicle's battery type. Check the label on the battery for this information. Mine is flooded CCA 600. Tap Next. Start the testing. Follow the instructions on the screen. The process is completed when you see 3 check marks on the top. The next page displays the information in report format. View it as a PDF and send it as an email. The report will automatically save and you can view it in Data Manager if you need to retrieve it later. You can also do an out-of-vehicle test from the battery test app. I'm Mike, and if you need more information regarding the BT1 and BT1 Lite, check out our other videos on the OTOFIX YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.